If you want to unlink your Coinbase account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Coinbase. Open your web browser or the Coinbase app and log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Link Accounts. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. Click on it to view all accounts linked to your Coinbase profile. Step 4. Find Facebook account. Locate your Facebook account in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to manage or unlink the account. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure the account is successfully unlinked. After completing these steps, your Coinbase account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.